Okay, this is the dynamic simulation of our Wankel rotary engine in AutoCAD Inventor. And we can see that the rotor is rotating around the pinion gear inside the engine block housing. So some key things to note is that the crankshaft, which in the real world scenario would be the output, rotates 3 times for every 1 time the input or the rotor rotates. And the simulation's going a little slow, my computer's not really liking it. But some other key things to note is that this pinion gear is fixed, so it does not rotate. The crankshaft rotates inside the gear, which through eccentric motion rotates the housing, the rotor, inside the housing. And so this is version 2 actually of our design. Version 1, we had a problem. When we printed it, we didn't think about fixing the gear, so I can show you that. This is version 1. So we didn't have the pinion gear fixed by anything, so when it printed out, it just rotates with the housing, with the rotor, and it does not, the gears do not walk, so to speak. And also, we have the little crankshaft here, which kind of makes it hard to rotate for modeling purposes. So if we go back to the CAD of version 2, we actually added a little crank to make things easier to rotate. This is our Wankel rotary model, and version 2 should be printed by the end of the weekend.